Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to connect second controller to your console. Firstly, you can do it by simply plugging it via USB cable. So connect one cable to the console, connect second cable to the controller, then update the controller's software and it's done. But then we've got the second option, and also thanks to the second option we can connect other devices to our console via Bluetooth. Wait until the software update is finished. And now go to Settings, Accessories, and now General. Go to Bluetooth Accessories, and here we've got our two controllers. Enter Advanced Settings, and now you can turn off your Bluetooth in the console. You can turn off accessories like wireless controllers, and then you can go to Other Accessories to manage keyboard, mouse and camera. If you want to connect new device via Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth Accessories in General and select from Accessories Found. For example, let's turn on Bluetooth pairing on the first controller. Firstly, let's disable it. And now let's enter pairing mode. Now the pairing mode is enabled. You can select it from this menu. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.